Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel, and today we're doing a 2,000 subscriber giveaway and a shave. So real quick, I'm going to apply water to my face. All right, well, I did it. You guys helped me do it. I reached 2,000 subscribers and I really appreciate it. I am humbled for the fact that people subscribed to my channel, and for everyone that's been sticking with me and commenting and liking. I really want to say thank you. And so we're going to do a giveaway. But before I do that, let's talk about the soap. I'm going to be using White Buffalo by 345 Soap Company. And here's the soap. I'm picking up bergamot, some sandalwood, and maybe a little amber. Seems like there's some patchouli in there as well. I will put a scent profile right here of what the scent profile actually is, and I have that lathered up in my copper Captain's Choice. I didn't know if I wanted to say Captain's Choice Copper Bowl or Copper Captain's Choice Bowl. Anyway, I have that lathered up here, and I used a 1/4 teaspoon, and I will tell you, this soap was very thirsty. It used 16 milliliters of water. Oh, let's take these glasses off. 16 milliliters of water. I couldn't believe it. And so the brush that I'm using today is the QED brush, and it is the Badger Silver Tip brush. And I've been breaking this baby in, and it's nice. It's very, very soft. It's a little softer than what I like, but you know what? It's nice. And speaking of nice, let's go ahead and do the drawing for the first place winner. Are you ready? Here we go. Congratulations. Wow. Well, I can't do them all at once, so let's just stick with me here. I'm done lathering up. Did I show you the brush up close? Look at that. It's got the fake horn handle, but that thing is beautiful. Anyway, the razor of choice today is going to be the Blackland Vector, and this one is the titanium version. And it has the solid bar because they don't offer an open comb. Shame on you. Anyway, it's very, very light. It's kind of in between the aluminum weight and the stainless steel, which they don't make in aluminum. But you know what I'm saying. On other razors, that's kind of where we're going with it. And what was I going to say? Oh, yes, this has the feather Proguard. So... and you know what? If you guys were interested in the soap base, I will put a picture right here. But it is the Trinity base. Oh, man, every time I use this razor, I'm just like, wow. It just makes the shave really nice whenever you're able to pick up a razor and it just shaves so smoothly. I've got 2 days worth of growth here, and it has no issues plowing right through that. And that soap has nice residual slickness. I like it. I haven't used this soap, and if I remember right, it is John's favorite soap scent. And so that's why I picked it. I've had this for a while, and I've just been sitting on it. And I thought, you know what? I'm using it today. And it's working nice. I do like the scent. Mama, on the other hand, was kind of like, see what we got here. You know what else we got? Let's do a drawing for the number 2 or the second place winner right now. Congratulations! This is so fun giving stuff away. I know you guys like it. Are you here for the shave or the giveaway? I need to get lathered up for pass number 2. Oh, that is so nice. I haven't used some 345 soap in a while. And there was a couple scents that I thought about picking up, but I just had to hold back for some personal reasons. But once those personal reasons come back together, I will be picking those up. All right, let's take a look at the lather here. And this brush, it holds a lot of soap. All right, here we go. Look at that. Oh yeah, some people. Oh yeah. I'm ready for pass number 2 across the grain. And as I'm sitting here shaving, I'm taking a look at that haircut and I'm realizing it's time. It's time for another haircut. Wow, time goes by so quick. Or maybe it's the fact that my hair grows so quick. Seems like every 3 weeks I gotta get a haircut. When I was in the military, I used to get a haircut every week. But that's what you gotta do, set the example. Or at least I had to. You can't do squad inspections, inspect your privates to have their hair cut if you come in there with long hair. Wow. What a shave, what a shave. I'm gonna get cleaned up and I'll be right back. I am back and I felt that shave and wow. So it is time for the whiskey ice cube. Oh yes, this to me is the best post shave routine that you can do. And I know several of you have tried that out and you agree. And for those that haven't, you are missing out. All right, well, you know what? I do have the matching aftershave splash. Let's go ahead and give this a little shake, shake, shake. And let's put some on. There we go. Beautiful. Now, this splash, I can tell you right now, it has a little bit different scent. And I'm kind of liking that scent a little more than what was in the soap. And you know what time it is? No, it's not Star Jelly time. It's time to draw for winner number 3. Congratulations for winner number 3. If you are one of the winners, please contact me either by email, which I will have that below, Facebook, or on Instagram. I do appreciate all the winners. I will need to get your name and address, and I will send your information along to Pete or Jason so you can redeem your gift cards. And I will get out your item mailed promptly. Oh, wow. What a shave. I love these awesome shaves. Those poopy shaves are for the toilet. All right, well, if you have made it this far, I appreciate it. I will put a picture right here of everything that I used today. And I will see you guys on Will It Shave Wednesday. You have a great rest of your weekend.